Oh to celebrate the new year. The new year is one of the most internationally recognized holiday. Different regions celebrate in their own way. The commentary a gratifié good be to the previous year so you can welcome the beginning of the new year. You might be celebrating with a fait close friend or to of stranger. It way, hoping your celebration bring you memory to last lifetime. Attending an official event. Go to an open air event. The stray party type event often include performance by live musicians or DJs, confetti, and a firework display. Some require ticket to be purchased ahead of time, and some are free to attend. 1. The Harmony New Year event à Lovette Volta Garnet National Attention, Times Square in New York, USA, Sydney Harbour in Sydney, Australia, Central London in London, England, Tefeltoe in Paris, France, Antebrandenburg in Berlin, Germany, 2. Mani Sissi au fait open air célébration en stray party ta you can attend, 3. If your city Horton 2 et 1 already à avant open air party, you can star on. Site like mais tu pars agréable place to get started. Go to a dance club. If you're looking to party a will ranging into new year, get your friend go to a club. Club will bring in the best DJs et qu'enfin en offre competitive drink spécial. 4. Attends à formal event. Many upscale hotel en restaurant host catered new year eve gala. They will have performance from orchestra, jazz band, or professional singer en musicien. Ticket have to be purchased ahead of time. 5. Most of the formal event require formal, or black theater. Go to a casino. Aside from playing carence la machine, casino often host new year eve celebration ta include dîner en show from professional singer, tribute band, or comédien. You must be 21 older to enter a casino. Lave host a party or alt casino work in tandem to create on strip with party. 6. Attends à midnight church service. Some people will attend a midnight service ta held on New Year Eve, call watch night service. They often include food, singing, and a message from the church leadership. 7. Going to a party. Celebrate a house party. It likely ta someone you know will be throwing a house party for the new year. Ask around on house wish party best for your celebration de year, party 6, activity, location, etc. 8. It might be a fully hosted party or a potluck. Make sure you get alt information ahead of time so you know what to bring food or drink. Go out for dinner. What a family friendly restaurant with your kid or your favorite restaurant for a night out with friends, going out to eat agréable way to celebrate the new year. 9. Some restaurants may have New Year specials on food and drink. Make reservation several day ahead a restaurant to be busy on New Year Eve. Hold a friendly gathering. Get some of your friends arrange a meal on of your favorite location. It could be a bowling alley, restaurant, club, or city park. Decide ahead of time what to wear, who bring what, en IoT de taille. You're basically planning an impromptu party. On a date. Ou a more romantic than celebrating new beginning. Grab your loved one, make a reservation, way ahead of time, en chart new year to GTOV any semelle. You can follow ta up with some colorful firework and a midnight kiss. 10. Honoring a tradition. Star a family tradition. Many family will create tradition around the new year. Since holiday represent the beginning of change some people discuss new year goal or challenge. Some family will share a formal dinner out or a home to celebrate. Many family will honor their heritage traditional practice to GT. Honor a personal tradition. Inve about him to star a personal tradition, what he going out to a party, staying home, watching firework, or celebrating the new year in your own unique way. Celebrate a cultural tradition. Depending on where you're from, different tradition take a different form. You don't have to be from ta region, Of course. If something strict your fancy, you can adopt a tradition just because you want to. Ingress, parent back a cake en ida lucky coin in it. Take ut cake à midnight en yat it. Wave jet piece with the lucky coin a good fortune for the upcoming year, says. In Belgium, children write new year letter to their parents en riatem outlook, 17. In Estonia, people will often yat up to 12 mel to celebrate the new year. Some of the mel are let for spirit who visit who's on holiday, 18. In Ireland, women pumis pluto underneath serpio a night for good fortune, 19. In Germany, people yat marzipan pig en jam fi donuta a token of good fortune, 20.